Hello everyone. Today we discuss lesson number 9 from political science, globalization and its critics. Globalization and its critics. First of all, let me explain regarding this topic. The period after the end of Cold War and the disintegration of Soviet Union is known as era of globalization. Today, globalization is accepted as Mool Mantra to solution of world's economic, political, social and cultural problem. So it is a process of growing interdependence and cooperation among all nations of the world and their people which has affected the national and international politics and has also given a new direction. Today, there is dominance of economic factor in the national and international politics and the mutual relation among the countries of the world. While establishing relation with other countries, each nation give importance to its economic interest. And globalization has opened the door of possibilities for each nation in the global market. Is that clear? So here we discuss about that. Now I want to tell you use of the term globalization. Use of the term globalization. Though the word globalization is used around 1981, this word globalization word used around 1981, because yet the concept is very old. We know, हालांकि ये वर्ड यूज़ किया गया था 1981 में, बट फिर भी ये कंसेप्ट काफ़ी पुराना है. वी नो दैट ऑन December 31, 1600 when British people came in India. 1600 when British people came in India, at that time the East India Company had taken permission from Queen Elizabeth of England to do trade with India. When they took permission from the Elizabeth, जब ब्रिटिश कंपनी ने एलिजाबेथ से परमिशन ली थी इंग्लैंड से भारत के साथ ट्रेड करने के लिए, एंड हिज कंपनी ट्रेडेड with India for a long time. So that's why this concept is very old. Is that clear? Now we are talking about meaning and definition of globalization. So let me discuss about the meaning of globalization. In common terminology, word globalization is used for economic globalization or globalization of international markets. या आप कह सकते हो establishment of global market with the purpose of link the global economy. So the process of globalization has provided opportunities to social activities, trade union, journalist, intellectual, doctor, engineer, etc. to work together at the world level. But in spite of this, trade and technology are considered the two major forces of globalization which have provided speed and energy to globalization. Is that clear? This is called meaning. What is meaning is there? The process of globalization has provided opportunity to, ये एक process है जो opportunity provide करता है किसके लिए? social activities, trade union, journalist, intellectual, doctor, engineer, etc. to work together at the world level. Is that clear? But in spite of this, इस सब के अलावा trade and technology main consider की जाती है due to globalization. Now let me discuss about the definition. According to International Monetary Fund, globalization is characterized by increase in flow of trade, capital and information as well mobility of individual across border. Globalization is characterized by increase in flow of trade, capital and information as well mobility of individual across border. And second definition is according to Willis Smith, Globalization is process in which social relation relatively become distant and limitless. Clear? So let's we conclude the topic. After discussion about the definition and all, we come to conclusion. Though basically globalization is known as spread of international trade, capital, investment, migration of people from one country to another, and spread the information technology and international level. Yet in reality, it is far more than this. Clear? Today, the space of globalization has become very wide. Apart from it linking in national economy with international economy, it is free flow of good capital, techniques, ideas, entrepreneurs, and culture, etc. At the world level, as a result of which, day by day, the walls of international boundaries are getting big. So, in process of globalization, international financial organization and multinational companies are playing important role, as a result of which the whole world has changed into a global village. Is that clear, students? Today we discuss about the used term globalization, and after that its meaning, then definitions. Is that clear?